breathes with life. Now the truck arrives, and one animal's journey begins.
I want to buy your cow. Can you tell me its price?
Its price is 200,000 rupees. I have put a lot of effort into raising it.
Alright, let's finalize the deal at 180,000 rupees. I'll call the truck driver right now to get it loaded.
It's okay, give me the cash now, our deal is done.
Hi truck driver. Please come to the animal market to pick up the cow and drop it off at my home. Okay, I'll be there in just a few minutes.